Okay, I did it again. I could not resist, but that's the way I'm a collector. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm bike passionate, a French bike collector and fashion lover, Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got two boxes and long story short, I went to Avignon this Sunday and just to make some Christmas shopping, and I could not resist to enter my store, my Longchamp store. And yes, I'm weak and I pick those two items, so let's unbox it and talk a little bit about. So, the very first one, you know guys what it is, you all recognize, and there's no surprise, but okay, just for the love of a brand, let's have a look. And of course I picked this card holder in Turtle Dove Tourterelle color. And yes guys, I know this color is for several months now. I also got my small zipped crossbody and I love it. I really love it. It's a bag I use a lot, and so when I saw it I said yes, why not have it in my collection, because guys, here are so far the colors I have. Yes, I begin to have a nice collection. I've got Cypress, I've got, this is, oh my god, what's the name? Turquoise? Celadon, I think they called it. Lilac, oh my god, I love it so much. And look at this one, Candy. It's my new one. I know I unboxed it, yes, a few days ago, but guys, I could not resist because I use them a lot and I love to combine them with my bags, and yes, I play with them. I have a lot of fun time with them. So as you can see, I've got pastel colors. Okay, this one is a dark color, but I have not a neutral color. And I'm really happy to have this one now in my collection. So as usual, you've got two card slots here, two others there, and this bigger slot here. And guys, here inside I can put some keys, some coins, of course bills, and yes, receipt aussi, some card receipt, and yes, really great, and happy to have added this one to my collection. And for information, because okay guys, if you're in Europe, the sales has not begun, and these little guys retail at the moment for 50 euro. And not this one, Turtle Dove is not on sale, but just to explain you, I paid this one 50 euro. And in January, when we will have a sale, of course, the price will increase. And now, for example, this one, I bought it, yes, a few days ago. I paid already the new price for 2023, 60 euro. It's 10 euro, but guys, that's why also I go and buy it now, because I know this color will not be on sale, but I do not want to wait too much and pay 10 euros more like this one, because it's the brand new color. Hope you understand me. And I also picked, and in fact I was interested to go to my boutique because they just received them. They had received the new color. This is the orange. This is the new color with candy for Foulonné line. And look at it. Maybe on the light you will see it a bit red, but that's true. In fact, they called it orange in English, but it's more like, in French we say orange sanguine, which is a darker orange. To be honest, I was not expecting this kind of orange. If you look at the internet website, the orange appear as pop and as candy, you know. So I was waiting for a orange neon. In fact, it's a dark orange. It's cute, but I was waiting more a vibrant color like this one. Hope you understand. By the way, I go and grab it because, you know guys, I'm a big collector and I love to have at minimum one piece in the new color. And so I paid it. Of course, this one, as I explained you, is already at the new price, 60 euro. But that's okay, I really wanted it. And yes, same. So here it is. And guys, now, so far, so here are the latest I bought. Turtle Dove Candy and Orange. And yes, here is so far my collection. Yes, really cute. I love them. To be honest, I don't know if I will go on buying these items because, yes, you know, to be honest, you do not need all much card holder. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I have 6 of them. However, I like the color and as I explained you, I like to have at minimum one item in the newest color. I don't know if I will go on this trend because now with the new price, everything will increase. I will make a video about all the price increase for the next year. I have to say, I don't know if I go on like that, but, and I have a bunch of color already. So now I'm really waiting for a color I've never seen. For example, if they will make a bright green or a white card holder, maybe I will go for it. If they just put a new red or a new blue, yes, just a kind of dark blue, it will not be my cup of tea. So just to explain you all this and to compare, because if someone is interested between saffron, which is on sales, and orange, look, for those who are interested. Okay, it's clearly not the same color, but saffron was a kind of orange and this is a darker orange. For you guys, for your information. If you have questions about all this, do not hesitate to write in comment. I will be more than happy to help you. And guys, stay tuned.